Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to reverse a clip using DaVinci. So first we have added a video to the timeline. We're going to play it for you so that you'd see like how it looks like. So the people are moving forward. Okay, so now we're going to copy and create a duplicate and then it will show like this one is going backwards. Select the clip, right click and then look for change clip speed. Click it here and then select reverse speed. So see like the speed is minus and also the frame is also minus because our frame is 30 actually this time. So then click change. Okay, now let's play it fast from the first one and then you'll see they started to work backwards now. See? So this is how you reverse a video using DaVinci. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.